It's another day. We went to the store because we had to get this. All right. This is another mom recipe. She always comes with
what I see on TV.
Yeah, she sees it on TV and she buys the stuff and she says we should make it. And sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't.
And I don't know if this will work or not. They sort of had trouble too.
Tell them what it is.
Yeah, it's only 4 ingredients and it looks like something that you could take to a party, you know. So anyway, and it's supposed to be easy. You have Philadelphia cream, or it doesn't have to be that, cream cheese softened, and then a jar of fluff, marshmallow fluff. And then we're gonna beat that together, and then we're gonna fold in some whipped topping. And then once that's all done, you put it in a pie pan, and then you put they put cherry topping, and we like cherry topping, so I'm gonna put that on top. And then you refrigerate it for probably at least an hour. And then we've got graham crackers and pretzel crisp to like dip. It's like a dip, so we'll see if it works.
You could probably do like, oh, never mind. I was gonna say apple slices, but I don't know if apple slices would be good with.
No, I like cherry.
No, I mean dipping, or like vanilla wafers.
Yeah, I didn't want to pay that much money for those. Those are expensive.
They probably have great value.
Not as good.
Well, we're gonna get to making this recipe, and she's gonna tell me what to do because she's really good at that.
Okay. Oh, well,
all right, she put some softened cream cheese in this bowl. She's ahead of the times. And then we have the fluff. Which,
I don't know if we want to sort of zip that up first, you know? Okie doke. So put the fluff in there.
Oh, you're making me do the hard part.
Those came out pretty good.
Yeah, not anymore.
I know.
Oh my god.
I love it.
Well,
I know.
It just tastes like sugar.
It's marshmallows, of course. And I used to eat it like with peanut butter.
Have you ever made homemade marshmallows?
No.
How do you do that?
I don't know how you do it. I've seen it done on TV.
Is it just like sugar and egg whites or something? No, that's meringue.
I don't know. Corn syrup?
Maybe. Oh my god.
Yeah, it's sticky. Supposed to use all of it.
I remember when we used to make fudge.
Uh-huh.
And you would save the marshmallow fluff jar and like...
I know.
You would spoon it.
Because I do like marshmallows.
I don't.
Unlike you.
I
can't stand marshmallows. So hopefully you like this. But with the cream cheese, I think...
It's a texture thing.
Okay. Well,
this is fine.
Yeah.
I just don't like the texture of marshmallows.
Okay, is it done?
No.
You think you got...
No. No, there's still quite a bit in there.
This would have been good for like a 4th of July party, or it can be for any party.
Or a summer barbecue. I'm sure people are still having summer barbecues.
Or you could really take it for Christmas if you cherries on the top.
You could probably dye it green and put cherries. There we go.
All right, don't throw it away because then I'll get a spoon and lick it after a while. No.
She will. She will. Okay, you gotta mix it.
Oh, this is where they ran into trouble, Linnea. Like, it did not want to work very well. So, is it going?
Wait, hold on.
Ooh, you got it on your hand. Oh no, I've turned something on.
This is my mom in my kitchen, guys. Okay, go. Maybe beat it fast. Oh, Lord.
That's good. It's doing better than what theirs. I think because that cream cheese is like set out
a lot. It's been all day.
Yeah. And theirs is like a morning program that I always watch with Jeremy and Maddie. Oh, it looks good. Well, I didn't want it flying everywhere.
Oh.
Okay, now you can...
Hold on. All right. The whole tub.
Yep. Fold it in there. came out good. It should though, it's been in the refrigerator.
Why don't you entertain them?
Mwah.
No. With your
You'll have
humor.
to put on the music, you know.
With your humor.
Ding the ding ding music.
What music? My what music?
That music you usually play when you do your other videos. I don't know what it is.
My ding da ding ding music.
I know.
Apparently.
Or you can play my favorite song, you know, now.
I can't. It's like copyrighted.
I know. Well, that music you play is not copywriting?
No.
Oh. Okay, I think it, does it look good?
Yeah, I think so. Maybe mix the middle. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. All right, so then we put all of it in the...
Yeah, in the pie pan. And you'll have to do it because this is like a weird
Yeah, I
angle
will.
for me because
I
I'm
will.
left-handed.
Hold on, let me... All right.
Okay.
Oh, this is...
See, I told you, it's a weird angle. Should you not be over on this side?
No, it's working.
Okay. Okay, that looks
Wait,
good.
we gotta... Ooh, there we go. I think
Okay.
that's good enough. Oh, you
And
just
they
took
just-
that real fast.
And I just spread it around.
They use an entire can of that.
They did, but we may not have to. But then I don't know what you're going to do with it.
Mm-hmm.
And I'd rather have, you know, not enough. I mean, not too
You
much.
have too much than not enough.
Then, yeah,
That's what she's trying to say. She told me to do
I
it
don't
all.
know. Hey, I said I don't know if you want to do it all.
Well, maybe. Yeah, honestly, probably.
Okay.
Why does it seem like there's all the cherries on this side?
We probably should have started up.
Yeah, probably.
Of course. Maybe put some more cherries over there.
I'm not good at spreading stuff. This is usually Jonathan's job.
It looks good. I don't know if we...
You're taking some of this home with you.
No.
Oh, yeah.
No.
What are we supposed to do with all that?
Have a party on Friday with your uni and...
A pizza party with some pie?
Yeah.
A pie party?
Yeah. Have your friends over. Because you haven't seen them in a while. The one.
Are you pointing?
No. Mm. Mm.
No, she's just eating it. I guess that's really good.
Yep. It looks good.
It looks good on the video.
So now we're supposed to put it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes, if not longer, to cool or set up or whatever.
All right.
So we'll try it in a little bit.
So yeah, we'll be back. I told her it's not on yet.
You lied. We decided to try the pretzels first.
Oh, you're going.
So, yeah? Okay.
Okay, hold on. Let me get a cherry.
Cheers.
It tastes like a cheesecake
It does.
with no crust, which is how I like it.
I know. That'd be good just to eat it with, put some in a spoon.
Let's try graham cracker real
Alright.
quick. It really tastes like a cheesecake with no crust. Calvin's down here. He wants some bad. I don't want to hold. Yeah.
Well, I don't either, Linnea.
You making a mess on my counters?
Do you want some of this?
Yep. Did you get a cherry last time? Because I
No.
did.
Cheers. You think brown like that?
Mm-hmm. That's Calvin eating a graham cracker.
It is good.
I don't really like graham crackers though.
Oh.
They're okay. I think I like the pretzel more. I think I like vanilla wafer. I'm not a graham cracker fan. I think it's because it was like force-fed graham crackers at like daycare or something.
Me?
No, you didn't. You never gave me graham crackers.
So do you want me to take these home or do you want
Just
me?
leave a pack here.
Okay. I might end up leaving the whole thing.
Jonathan will eat them.
Huh?
Jonathan will eat them. All right. Well, we ate this much of this whole thing.
And I would make it again and it was easy. Really easy.
I would 100% bring this to a party. Like 100%.
It's good.
It's very easy and it tastes like a cheesecake. So,
it does.
you guys get to see, you guys get the privilege of seeing her in 2 videos. 2 videos. And then I don't know when the next time you see her is.
Long time.
Probably.
Yep.
Alright, anyway. We'll see you guys in the next video. Actually, she won't. She won't see you in the next video. She'll watch the next video that I'm in.
Yeah.
Alright. Bye!